Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by pairing your AI with Word so the process is seamless. Install the Word add-in or open Office 365 online, then connect the AI plugin or paste your API key into a secure settings area. Once done, create a short sample doc that shows desired style, headings, and length so the model learns your voice. Make sure to test a one-paragraph prompt to verify output formatting, and adjust temperature or style settings for more precise or creative results. You now generate the body by issuing clear section prompts directly in Word. Specify purpose, tone, and approximate word count so the AI structures content correctly. Once the AI inserts text, make iterative edits. Ask it to expand a paragraph, condense a summary, or rephrase for clarity. Use word styles for headings and lists so the document remains navigable. Also request the AI to add a brief summary and relevant bullets. This saves time and keeps structure consistent as you refine content. You finish by proofreading the AI draft, verifying facts and tone while using track changes for transparent edits. Then apply final styles, insert page numbers, and export to docx or PDF to confirm layout and fonts. If something goes wrong, text overlapping, missing headings, or strange wording, first modify the prompt to be more explicit, then restart the add-in or lower the model length to avoid truncated output. If persistent, copy text into a fresh document and reapply styles to restore formatting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.